Did you know that by the age of 3, most cats are going to show signs of dental disease? And just like us, cats are going to need regular dental care to prevent plaque, build up, infections and so on. Brushing your cat's teeth seems like a really undoable task, but I promise with the right approach and the right tools, it is totally doable. My name's Amanda, I'm a clinical feline behaviourist for cats.com, and in this video I'm going to talk you through some key 3 things that will make brushing your cat's teeth a walk in the park. The first step is picking the right tools. We want to make sure that everything is going to be cat friendly and cat safe. Never ever use human toothpaste on cats because it contains fluoride and xylitol, which are toxic to cats. So you always want to be using a toothpaste that is specific for cats, and it's also flavoured in fish and chicken, so they quite like that as well. Now for brushes, you've got a few options. You've got the regular cat toothbrush, you've got finger brushes, and you've also got gauze, which you can actually wrap around your finger and rub onto the cat's gums and teeth. And that's maybe a good starting point if your cat has never had its teeth brushed before. Step 2, you've got to get your cat comfortable. It's got to be in the right frame of mind. It's no good doing it first thing in the morning or last thing at night when they're having the zoomies. You need to have them in a good state of mind where they're comfortable. Maybe just get them on your knee. You've got to be comfortable too, so you've got to think where's going to be easiest for you. Personally, I like to have them sitting on my knee because then they just think they're getting a cuddle, and then I can go in just with a little finger and get them to get used to the smell of the toothpaste and obviously the taste first. So I'd start off by putting a little bit of the cat safe toothpaste just onto my finger like that, just a tiny little bit, and I'd let them get used to the smell of it first, and then I could just gently pop it onto the gums. Nothing more than that at this stage. They may even lick that straight off your finger. Many cats actually like the taste of the cat toothpaste, and let's face it, that's what it's meant to do, encourage them to have their teeth brushed. And then you can actually massage the gums or just pop your finger inside their mouth. And initially when you first start off, you want to keep these sessions really short, and then you can reward them with maybe a Dentabite or a cat treat. Give them lots of praise and then build up on that slowly. So once your cat is comfortable with this approach and retreat, as in just getting them used to having the toothbrush or the taste of the paste in the gums, in the mouth, then you can move on to actually gently brushing their teeth. Circular motions, but don't think that you've got to brush every tooth in the mouth. First off, you haven't, just build up on it slowly, because even a few seconds of little dental hygiene bites are going to make a huge difference to your cat. So remember, you can do your cat's teeth, but just tooth by tooth, it's still fine. What you mustn't do is force anything. So if the cat is giving you any sort of resistance in any way, shape or form, then you need to stop the brushing, reward them, and then try it again another day, because we want them to think of this as a positive experience for them, not as a negative one. So what happens if you can't brush your cat's teeth? Well, don't worry, there are dental treats. These are small, little, really super crunchy bites that are really going to knock that plaque off the back teeth, particularly. That's where this tends to build up the most. And then there's matatabi sticks, and these come in various sizes, and it's a cat attractant, and the cats just nibble and gnaw at these, so it does help get that plaque off, lubricate the gums. So these are a really good enrichment toy to have in your everyday cat toy box as well. There's also water drops that you can put in the water to actually help break down the plaque and then prevent any further build up. And there's also oral gels as well, again you can put into your cat's mouth to actually break down the plaque. So there's lots of alternatives if your cat won't tolerate having anything in the mouth. But just looking at the type of tools that I've got here now, so this obviously is a specific cat toothbrush or a pet toothbrush. This is one of the smaller ones. It's very soft, and before you'd even put that straight into the cat's mouth, I'd want to get your cat used to the cat toothpaste first. So there's various different flavors on the market of this, so if your cat doesn't like the chicken one, try the fish one and just build up slowly. What another little trick is, if you've got a yogurt treat, a churro, anything like that, you could even be a bit crafty and put that on the brush to begin with. So it fools the cat that when this goes into the mouth, it's going to be a pleasurable taste, and then you can always swap that onto the cat toothpaste afterwards. Finger brushes like this are available. I'll be honest, this one is a little bit bulky, so I prefer these, but again, if you don't feel comfortable and you feel you have less control with one of these in your cat's mouth, then the finger brushes are quite good, and there are some that are a bit smaller than this as well. So again, you just pop that into the mouth. You could even put some of the yogurt treat on there as well to get them used to it and building up a positive experience. And then slow circular movements going round. So it doesn't matter where you start, just the fact that you make a start, because it will make a difference to the cat's overall dental health. So brushing your cat's teeth may take some time, it may take practice, you may have to gain your confidence in what you're doing, and also the cat needs to be able to understand it's going to be a pleasurable experience. But even small brushes, a few seconds, are going to be better than doing nothing at all, and then you can build upon that bit by bit. So start slow, keep it positive, and then work out what suits your cat best, because it may be that they prefer a brush rather than a finger brush. Even the cotton lint, they may prefer that. They may prefer one flavour. And it's crucial that you do check in with your vets at least once a year so that they can check their teeth for any other complications that are going on, because no amount of brushing is going to repair any damage that's already been done. So have you ever tried brushing your cat's teeth, or are you now going to start after you've watched this video?